What's going on, guys? As you guys read by the title, yes, I got another Evo 10, and I'm gonna show you guys what's going on with it and then update you guys on the 10 because we got the red 10 back, and I'll give you guys an update on that. But let's go ahead and show you the new 10. So here we have it. I got my girlfriend cleaning the windshield and stuff. We just got done cleaning it up, but yeah, it's a 2010 Evo 10 GSR. It was wrapped. It's black underneath. It's got BC coils, it's got some wheels, it's got some good tires and stuff, and the thing I like about it is that it's completely stock. So yeah, it's completely stock. It needs a lot of engine work. It has, I think, a valve tick, so it needs valves, I'm assuming, and cylinder 1 and 3 have no compression. So we're gonna go ahead and fix this thing up, make it pristine AF, and you guys know the deal. It's gonna be up for sale. But yeah, it's nice. Let's show you the interior. It's literally same thing. Inside's really good. It needs a bunch of work, but I'm gonna be bringing you guys along. It's got a this was actually a co-worker's car. I bought it off of him because it was a good deal. It's got my old piping. It's got a turbo smart blow valve, ETS intake, and yeah, that's basically it. Other than that, it's completely stock. He did the timing chain, so I just got to redo a bunch of stuff, and yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. It looks pretty clean. Let me close this hood. It's clean. It's got VLAN headlights, taillights. The wheels match the headlights, is what I like. But yeah, I'll show you guys the back. We just cleaned it up. That's what it looks like from the back. But yeah, let's go ask my girlfriend, see what she thinks about it. See if she might want to keep it. We'll see what happens. So, what do you think of the car? Oh, hello? What? What do you think about the car? What? You like it? Okay. You want to keep it? No. Well, there you heard it, guys. She's not keeping it. But yeah, we're gonna be basically doing a bunch of work to it, making it real nice, really reliable. I'm gonna close the door. Really reliable, so whoever does end up buying it has no issues with it. Just make it run really good. I'm gonna completely tear down the motor, so you guys are gonna be watching that. Let's go over to the other 10 really quick and show you guys what's going on with that one. Alright guys, so last video you guys saw, I was doing the ethanol sensor. So I had the shop, I took it to Blueprint, got it back. They put it underneath and they made all this a lot nicer. So this was actually all the way tucked in there, just horrible by me. They went ahead and put it on here, just, you know, it's a lot better, it's a lot more secure. They also did the GTR coils, the GTR ignition coils. They wired those up, and right now I have to drive it until I get the ethanol sensor. I get the ethanol sensor under 12%. So I filled up last night and I got it down to 20, and before that it was at 35, and I got it down to 20, and it's driving horrible. Let's be honest, it's driving horrible, but I need to get it down to 12% so I can get it to run right. So yeah, that's basically what they said. They were like, bring it down to under 12% and then bring it back, we'll retune it, and yeah, it should be good. They did a great job with the wiring. It looks great, and other than that, I haven't had any issues. So right now the main focus on the channel is going to be that one. But that one we're going to tear the motor apart, pull the head, check the valves, check the pistons, make sure they're not damaged. If they are, we'll replace them, and maybe I'll start a little series, maybe like a 3-part series. Whatever we do to that car is going to make it reliable. So I want to talk about the giveaway for the taillights. I am at 280 subscribers, so thanks to everybody who subscribed, and I'm going to be going through who's subscribed, who's following me on Instagram. If your username matches up or whatever, I'll be DMing you, and I'll put it on a little random like website, have them choose. I'll probably comment your @ on YouTube to let you know you won, and then I'll DM you on Instagram to get your address and ship them out to you. All you have to do is pay shipping. That's all you got to do. And yeah, so congrats to whoever wins them. But yeah, it'll be a little later today. I might do a little short on it, just a YouTube short, showing you guys the Evo and then letting you guys know who won. All right, here we go. It has a STM 3-inch exhaust, VLAN taillights, like I said. The wrap's looking good. We just cleaned it up. It's got, I don't know what kind of wheels these are, Adahan wheels. It needs brakes. We'll be doing brakes. We'll be doing a bunch of stuff to this car. What else does it need? I think that's it. Obviously a lot of engine work. And yeah, other than that, it's gonna be a really good, reliable car. We'll see if someone ends up keeping it. We'll see. But yeah, other than that, it looks clean. And hope you guys enjoy the footage that's coming with this thing. I'll probably drop another video next Monday of me completely tearing the motor apart finally, and then we'll just go through everything. I'll let you guys know exactly what you got to do to take this off, how to time it, how to look for certain things, and just make it really reliable. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a little short one, and well, there's more Evos coming. So yeah, peace.